Hey guys, if you're watching this video, that means you're in Makerspaces. You have rotated out of working on your Google Slides with your science fair information, and now you need to start working on your library project. I know some of you have already started that, and you might already have a Google Doc named Library Project. If you don't have one, then you need to make one. Go into Google Docs in Class Link and create a new document and name it Library Project. You can share it with me later, but right now you just need to make that file, that particular document. If you have already done that and you've already started doing some research about something you feel passionate about, then finish your research. Now remember, you have to have 2 citations for the information, and you need to have at least 6 different pieces of information about your topic, because you're going to use that information in your digital project. I don't think any of you have finished your research yet, so that's the first thing you need to do. Create a Google Doc that's named Library Project. Research something that you feel passionate about, something that you care so much about it, you want to tell the whole world about it. Now, if you went to Tween Tribune to look for topics, you don't have to use just Tween Tribune. You don't have to even do it exactly about what's in that article in Tween Tribune. You can pick something else that you really feel passionate about. And then when you research it and you get your 6 pieces of information and you have at least 2 sources and you have the citations, remember, use Google Explorer, that plus sign down on the bottom of your Google Doc, bottom right hand corner of your Google Doc. And if you do your searching through that Google, then it'll be easy for you to use those little quotation marks and cite your sources on your information. So first you have to get your research done. 6 pieces of information from at least 2 sources, and you have to have citations. Once you have finished all of your research and you've got that library project document completed, then you need to decide which digital project you're going to use to share your information. Now I have a page here, the sub will have this page. It's a list of the digital projects that you can choose from. You can choose from Scratch, which is an online program. You can make a video or you can make an animated story. We're scratching the song. We've tried that, it doesn't work. Or you can make a video game that tells a story in Bloxels. Now only 6 people in each class can do that because that's all I have of the Bloxels. You're not going to be able to do the green screen while I'm not here, so you can't choose that until I get back. If you haven't finished your research by the time I get back, then you could choose it. I'll be back next week. Animoto, you can create a video using photos and music, and it's kind of like a slideshow, but it doesn't have as many words. Anyway, it's pretty cool. You'll see. Or you can create a graphic story like a comic book. And if you do Bloxels or the comics, you have to have at least 6 frames of information. That's where the 6 pieces of information in your research comes from. Or you can use PictoChart to make a infographic, which is kind of like a poster with little short pieces of information. You don't want any long paragraphs. People don't like to read all that anyway. Just little pieces of information in like a speech bubble or in a star, in a square, whatever. And you'll see how that works. And you can create an online presentation in PictoChart also that is sort of like Google Slides, but it's a little fancier and it's a little bit more complicated. It looks nicer. Anyway, so you'll have to pick one of these digital projects after you finish your research. Now, I'm going to make some videos and put them on my library webpage, which I have some good news about that. You can now get to our library webpage from Class Link. There's a little stack of books, and it says MIS Library. And if you go there, it goes straight to my library webpage. And at the top, there's a Makerspace tab. At Makerspaces, that's where all of the information about how to do the different digital projects is going to be. So you should go there to get the information and to link to get to the different websites where you can make the digital projects. So get to work on your research. Finish your research, then you can pick a digital project. So I'll see you guys next Monday. Talk to you later. Bye.